Hello, in this video we are going to see use of action chains, that is a feature in Selenium that can be used to perform complex operations that must be executed as one single uh, action. So here we are opening page, then clicking on drag and drop link, and then on that page we have two box A and box B. So what we are trying to do, we are dragging a box A over box B. So that is what we are doing in this example. So here we can see that when we click on action chains, so we have action chains method which in turn returning action chains object with default parameters. So we can override if we want to pass devices and additional parameters like devices and duration. We can pass by while creating object instance of page. And here we are, what we are doing on action chains, we are performing drag and drop method. So here what we are trying to achieve is, so we are opening this site and then clicking over drag and drop link and moving this box A over box B, right? So this is what we are trying to achieve in this script. So run this script and nRoBo key, then test the. So test started running. Essentially, action chains method returns the action chains object, and then in turn we can perform actions on that. So that's it. Thank you.